guys, welcome back to the channel. Back with another video on the R1M. Just honestly out going for a ride, making some content for you guys, and I have a little announcement to make too. We'll get to that later on in the video, but it's a fun, important announcement. And if you guys are interested in meeting me, you guys are kind of in the area where I'm hosting the meet, I already revealed it. So yeah, let's get right into it, I guess. I'm gonna be hosting a bike meet slash ride. We might do a little ride, might just do a meet. I don't know. I'm like not 100% sure yet, but we're probably gonna do a ride. But we're gonna start off with a meet. We're gonna meet somewhere, probably in Irvine, at my friend's shop. All the details will be announced on my Instagram, so if you're not following me, follow me there at MK. Yeah, all the details are gonna be announced there. It's gonna be this Saturday, November, I think it's the 18th, if I'm not, no, I don't know, November 20th, I believe. Yeah, I think it's the 20th. So yeah, November 20th. Oh my god, of course there's gonna be traffic. Can't complain. It's 3. I mainly wanted to make this video just to announce that announcement, and just want to meet up with you guys. The last one I did, if you guys did notice, you guys did watch that video, I hosted like a little meet, but that one was like a big mess, to be honest, because I kind of decided, like I was asking you guys, I believe Wednesday or Thursday, if I should host a meet, and then a lot of people voted yes. So I was asking the same thing, like should I do Saturday or Sunday, and I forgot what people voted for. But there was another bike meet that the boys at SoCal Superbikes were throwing Friday night, so I had an idea of like, oh, why don't I host my meet on Friday, like a few hours before their meet, and we can ride from the one I'm hosting all the way to them. So plans changed literally like the day before or something like that, and decided to do the meet on Friday. A lot of people couldn't make it because they expected either Saturday or Sunday. So it was very last minute. Everything was last minute, like me announcing, like asking if I should throw a meet, to changing the day of the meet last minute. So yeah, it was a little chaotic. Still, a few people showed up. It was still like, I had a good time. I hope the people that showed up had a good time. So it was definitely still fun. We got a little ride. There was a lot of traffic, so this meet I'm planning to host it like a little earlier, to try to avoid like the traffic, and so we can get a little ride. Hopefully we're like hosting it at my friend's shop here in Irvine, which I'll reveal the address and all the details, the specifics about the time and location and all that stuff, about 24 hours before the meet, or maybe a little earlier. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. But yeah, if you guys are in the area, if you're in Orange County, LA, Riverside, San Diego, like wherever you guys are in like Southern California, you're more than welcome to come. It's kind of like an open meet, like anyone can show up in any bike or car. Honestly, it doesn't matter. It's definitely going to be fun and exciting to meet everyone, and I don't know, we're just going to hang out, chat, spend some time there, and then maybe go for a little ride somewhere, or I don't know, just plan something out. And that's pretty much it for the announcement. Now I'm just gonna go for a ride, just cruising. And I want to talk to you guys about like a third, for the third time, about like hopefully what my next bike is going to be. I mentioned last time that I wanted to wait for the 2022 V4s to be announced, because apparently they're going to have changes, and it wasn't fair that I was comparing a 2021 BMW S1000 RR M package to a 2022 BMW to a 2021 V4 or V4R. The V4 SP is like insanely limited, and everybody, it's not like insane, it's just like the V4R and the Superleggera. They're all very limited, and they're like pretty hard to get because they're not as available, especially where I live. Like they're sold out, and there's like a huge line of deposits for the next year, the 2022. So there's a very low chance I'll be getting a V4 SP. V4R is my dream bike. And of the V4s, obviously like a Superleggera would be nice, but Superleggera is way more expensive than a V4R. It's literally double the price. A V4R is what, about I'm talking MSRP is like $40,000. I know they used to sell for more than 40 because of like how limited and rare they are, so they always had like a deal and markup with taxes and all. They came up to like almost $50,000 for a V4R, while the V4 Superleggera MSRP is at $100,000, and with taxes and fees and all that, it's about 120 out the door. So literally a little bit more than double the price from, I'm talking MSRP, from 40 to 100, which is absolutely insane, and I am not that rich, guys. I cannot afford a V4 Superleggera. After all, I'm only 23 years old. Maybe, hopefully one day, if you guys support these videos and like, maybe I'll get a Superleggera or whatever they come up with in the future. So yeah, make sure to like the video, because for whatever reason YouTube, it doesn't recommend like videos as much. And I've literally had saw a comment, someone saying that like they're subscribed to me and they're watching my videos, and like all of a sudden they stopped getting like any notifications or anything of my videos being posted, and they like went onto my channel manually, which I really appreciate that effort. And they saw that YouTube, and for whatever reason, it could be that individual or it could be actually YouTube for whatever reason, but they unsubscribed them from my channel, which I think was kind of like really shitty, because it's not easy to gain subscribers, and I really want you guys to like know when I post videos, because I do post 5 times a week. I've been doing this since like June or late May. It is not an easy job, trust me guys. It is a lot of work, especially when you have like other stuff in your life, because keep in mind, like, I still have a life, I have a family, girlfriend, friends, and I also need to make money, you know what I mean? And in California, with like about 100,000 subscribers, that doesn't pay the bills where I live. So it's definitely not like an easy job to post as often as I do and stay consistent. Another thing is also like content with motovlogging. Like, I'm trying to get creative with you guys. I know some of my content is like a little repetitive, but like I have noticed, so if I know that people don't like the repetitive stuff, aka taking bikes to car meets, going on chill rides, stuff like that, I personally wasn't planning on doing more of these, but every time I post them, there's a small niche of people that actually still like them, and they just think it's relaxing. And I totally agree with that. Like, I personally, it's super hard for me to fall asleep at night, so I like watching videos or yeah, playing something that like for me is relaxing and that would help me fall asleep. Holy, sun went away and it got like hella cold. Major regret right now. I am freezing. I might buy me a little something where I'm going right now to help me warm up, you know? But yeah, so I know that some people still like the repetitive stuff. It's like obviously not exactly the same, but it's like similar. But I'm trying to be creative. I'm trying to like come up with new stuff. As I wanted to talk about like a bike build series and ask you guys if you guys want me to do something like Jared Campese 650, just a bike build series. Get, I don't know, like an S1000 or SZX 10R, or I don't know, whatever, Yamaha R1, whatever like you guys decide, or I decide, or maybe even a 600 to start and see like how the channel does, and then maybe how you guys react to those like build series, and maybe then I'll kind of like upgrade into a leader bike. But I don't know, whatever, like the details will get figured out later. But let me know in the comments if you guys want to see a bike build series with like a monthly subscription type of thing, just like how everyone else does it, and you guys get like a chance to win a bike from me, and we'll do some sort of like experience or something like that. yeah, I'm like open to doing anything related to motovlogging, and clearly like a bike build series is one of them. And it sounds like it's gonna be fun because like I like building the bikes, not personally, not physically, because I'm a little short-tempered, and when things don't work I get mad. It's a little embarrassing, but yeah, back when I had my ZX6R and when I first got the HO, I used to do like the work myself, and then I noticed that I keep getting like more and more frustrated and mad, so I stopped doing that, and now I just take my bike to the shop, A, to hang out with the boys, B, to film some content, and C, to get all these little things installed professionally, so why not? But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Kind of just wanted to talk to you guys about like the bike meet that I'm hosting November 20th. Put in your calendar, make sure to stop by, say what's up, it's gonna be fun, and also talk to you guys about like my next bike and explain like in the future what bike I would like to get. And so far it's either the BMW S1000 RR M package or the 2022, both 2022 V4, either base V4 or V4S. I haven't decided yet, one of these, but these are the bikes that are currently top on my list, and as soon as the new V4s come out, that's when like I'm gonna be starting to make a decision, all of that, and maybe possibly get like, I don't know, like nicer bikes if I come across like a good deal on a used bike, you know what I mean? But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ride safe, peace out.